Now I would like to introduce a very short harness crimping and connector insert plugging machine. It can process the shortest harness close to 50 millimeters. This kind of harness can only be produced manually in the past, but now this automatic equipment can multiply the efficiency and replace manual work. It can complete automatic working like wire feeding, cutting, stripping, crimping at both ends. Both ends insert plugging at the same time. Equipped with CFM, pressure detection, and CCD, visual detection, for terminal crimp quality. At the same time, the connector inserting detection system is added to ensure the processing of each wire and the quality of the whole harness. The biggest feature of this machine is the design of a very compact connector insertion mechanism, so that it can process about 50 millimeters length of wire, and from 50 to 200 millimeters can be arbitrarily switched to meet the processing of different wire harness functions. By replacing the crimping applicator and the related connector vibration feeder, it can quickly switch the processing of different harnesses, and the related parameters can be stored in PLC, which is convenient to save and recall at any time. Next, please watch the whole machine running. Thank you for watching and attention.